Here's a bold claim for you, and I'm going to back it up with real math. I can guarantee you a 10,000% return on investment for your contracting business. Not 100%, not 500%, 10,000%. Stay with me for the next 2.5 minutes, because by the end of this, you're either going to walk away with a strategy that changes how you run your business, or you're going to prove me wrong. And honestly, I'm okay with that challenge. Here's where the math comes from. The average roofing job is worth somewhere around $9,000 to $12,000. Window replacement, bath remodel, same ballpark or higher. Now, our AI system costs $99 a month. So ask yourself, if this system books you just one single job in a month, that's a return of over 10,000% on your $99 investment. One job, that's it, that's the whole math. And here's the thing, that's not the ceiling, that's just the floor. Now let me tell you what's actually happening in most contracting businesses right now. You're out on a job site, you're doing what you do, hands dirty, working hard. Your phone rings, you can't answer it, so it goes to voicemail. That happens more than you'd think. 62% of calls to contractors go completely unanswered, not returned quickly, not answered at all. And here's the part that stinks. 78% of customers hire the first business that responds to them. Not the best, not the cheapest, the first. So while you're up on that roof, your competitor, who might be half as good as you, is picking up the phone and booking your customer just because they answered faster. That missed call isn't just an inconvenience. It's a $5,000 job, a $9,000 job, sometimes more, walking straight to someone else. So what does RepDigi actually do about that? It's an AI system that acts like your best employee, except it never clocks out, never calls in sick, and never lets a lead slip through the cracks. The moment someone reaches out, whether that's a phone call, a text, a chat on your website, a DM on social media, or even a Google review, RepDigi responds in under 2 seconds. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it doesn't give a generic robotic response either. It's trained specifically on your business, your services, your pricing, your service areas. So it sounds like you answering, not some script. Think about what that means at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday when a homeowner's roof is leaking and they're in panic mode searching for a contractor. Most of your competitors are asleep. You just responded. And that's not hypothetical. Let me give you a real example. A roofer in Phoenix signed up for RepDigi first week, $99 in. At 11 o'clock at night, someone calls about storm damage. RepDigi answers immediately, qualifies the job, and sets the appointment. That one call turned into a $9,200 signed contract. By the end of that first week, he had booked $35,000 in new jobs, all from leads that would have otherwise gone to voicemail. Now let's talk about what your options actually look like. A full-time receptionist, $3,200 a month. A marketing agency, $5,000 a month or more. RepDigi, $99 a month. Always on, trained on your business, responding in seconds to every single lead. There's really not a comparison. If you're a roofer, window installer, bath remodeler, siding contractor, solar company, or HVAC business, this is exactly what you need. But if leads are coming in and you're losing them because you can't respond fast enough, that's a revenue leak, and this fixes it. Step 1, you sign up, takes about 10 minutes. Step 2, you're live within 24 hours. Step 3, you either make money in 30 days or you get a full refund. No risk. We put our money where our mouth is because we know what the system does. We've seen it work. So go to RepDigi.com guarantee right now. One job. That's all it takes to make this the best $99 you've ever spent. I'll see you there. Looking forward to it.